conscious food. It's food that's away from all the oil and grease.
I'm gonna do the bite check for you.
It was an absolute disaster.
This cafe in Hoskas Village feels like I've randomly landed at a hill station. This is Bytera, a conscious cafe, and I'm going to try some of their best-selling items today, plus get some inside story from the owner. Let's go!
Bytera was a name chosen by my son actually. It means by the earth. It goes with the whole concept because the food that we serve out here is very conscious food. It's food that's away from all the oil and grease. So it's inspired by the Mediterranean cuisine and it's more conscious.
Do you remember what was the first dish on the menu?
Yes. It was an absolute disaster. So it was cheese Maggi and pesto Maggi, and it was a disaster, absolute disaster. But then after that, the menu started coming up. When you create a menu, you of course, in many other restaurants, we have top chefs and, our head chefs who create it. But in this, it's all my recipes.
So the menu here is Mediterranean meets healthy. So which means you'll find lots of fresh salads, hummus, grilled proteins, and these are some of their signature dishes. Visually, it's already a 10.
When you look at a platter, it has to be made up of different. Healthy food is made up of different colored food. And so it has a yellow, it has a green, it has a red, it has an orange. It's that kind of a concept that goes in conscious eating. And it has a little protein, little this, little that. So it is just like an Indian meal. That's the whole concept.
I like how fresh and flavorful the dish is. It has more crunchiness, it has more texture than the non-veg version.
I thought the boat pizzas would really do well, but I think people can't match up to the tea room pizza, which is quite a hot seller.
So this is my hot mess pizza. I'm already loving the name. It has pepperoni, it has jalapeno, so I'm already loving the combo. A little tangy and also spicy flavor.
Cakes and whatever we've been serving out here, they are not from pastry chefs. These are my grandmother's recipes and they've been tweaked and put in. But of course, there's a pastry chef who makes them. But they are family recipes that have been brought in out here.
This is so soft and yum. So guys, if you're a sweet tooth person and if you visit this cafe, you should definitely try their Biscoff cheesecake.
This is one of my favorites out here. It's kombucha. Basically, is an espresso shot with kombucha.
Quite refreshing. I think what makes this place stand out is it doesn't feel like Delhi. It feels calmer, slower, like a little escape. If you're someone who loves cozy cafes, clean eating, or just looking for a break from the chaotic spots, Bytera is where you should be. That's all for this video. If you found this interesting, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Times Foodie. See you in the next one. Bye.